Select, ride, or race.
Alright, Slick Rider Race. We made it down here. We're gonna sneak on inside, take a look at some of these nice cars, and then scroll on through this event, see if we can't find some stuff you guys enjoy. Stick with us. Alrighty guys, here we are. We're gonna head on into the car show. Leaving Gsxr out there to attract in some attention, draw in some eyes. We're gonna take a quick walk around. $5 to get in, since you know, didn't bring the H2 inside. It's 84 or older inside. Otherwise, it's a no-go. Look at that Datsun. That thing is sweet. Oh my gosh. This is some stuff you don't see around Pittsburgh too often. That thing is right up my alley. Quite a few cars for sale out here, folks. Quite a few cars for sale. Look at that. 70 Chevelle. All documented up. Only 3,773 of these were made. The LS6. That is a piece of history right there. The Hurst shifter. Some of these beautiful old cars. Made my day that it was only $5, as now. No harm, no foul to be in here. We can stay an hour, a few minutes, or we could stay all day. But as I mentioned, Slick Rider Race, we have some other activities going on today. So we are going to be sure to not necessarily spend all day here, but to make sure we can cover as much of the show as possible. So that way, if you guys aren't here, it's like you're here. Some great looking cars here. They only wanted the real oldies inside. Rightfully so. I don't want anybody to steal the flair. Gotta love that Cyclone. Never misses a beat. We got a silver Mustang with a roll cage. This thing looks like loads of fun. I mean loads of fun. Oh my. Now that's a car I want to have fun in. I noticed this car as I was making entry to the show. Oh, what's going on, man? Rightfully so. This car is beautiful. I might not have seen everything yet, but I was gonna take one thing here. I think this would do it. Just on entry of this show, pay $5, walk on in.
That'll be the contest. So, pin-ups need to be signed in by 1:30. I hope they don't start parking here. That was bad.
Here we are, Select Rider Race. We got a built Gsxr 1000, stretched, and a Suzuki Hayabusa, stretched, We got a good meetup today. We are going to get out here and get some racing in, and we're going to have a good time. New friendly faces tagging along with us. And we're heading out of the blast furnace. We're going to get off these crappy roads. Get somewhere a little more suitable for what we're doing here. Heading to Edgewood, Swissvale, to meet up with Randy. Randy's Reality. We're going to get out here and we're going to swap from riding to doing a little racing. That's what you enjoy, Select Ride a Race. And stick with us. Two big bikes with us today. Enjoying the help we will have in this venture to race with some of these Cleveland gentlemen. Yeah, that thing sounds good as hell. That thing sounds super good. Yeah, we got some runners today, boys. We are bringing some of that Pittsburgh heat to show you what we offer here today. Bronx Performance Exhaust. There's a nice officer right there watching with no care as we don't stop at that stop sign. She getting fried as fuck in front of us. She getting baked as hell. She in that car getting smoked up. Oh yeah, she got a cough going and everything. Go ahead, baby, do your thing. Do your thing. I see you getting fried, baby. I see you getting fried. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. I see you. Ain't nothing to me, baby. I smoke a little too here and there. Do your thing. Yeah. Out. Here we are. We're almost to Edgewood. We're going to get with Randy's Reality, and we'll bring you guys back in after we get past all this slow riding. Stay tuned, Select Ride a Race. We are back. We got Randy's Reality. We got a hayabusa 2011 behind us. Bronx exhaust. Modifications. We got an 07 Gsxr 1000 built, stretched. Both bikes behind me are stretched. And we're going out here to do a little meetup here with 650 Eve. We're on the Ninja H2. We're on our way to the oven. With my kind of guys today. We got a nice little group of Pittsburgh gentlemen. Alrighty, Slick Rider Race. We're here. Going right around the bend up here.
Gosh, man. Because he's got an H2 too, though.
Two beautiful BMWs. Randy's Rowdy. Slick Rider Races Ninja H2. I stretched Gsxr and I stretched Busa. Stick with us.
Alright, so the hp4, they can't do anything with a stock H2 with a super light jockey. First time I've said that all day, but I got him. Got the big man on his Gsxr.
Yeah, that's mine. No, they come like that. Well, Slick Rider Race. If you didn't catch, we're stuck in traffic. Traffic's lined up by the dozens. We're working on getting home, and we'll check in with you soon.